explain to you guys how to easily order taxis online by using an app called Grab. Check this out. Grab allows users to book nearby taxis online. There are plenty of commercial services to select from, such as Grab Car and Grab Bike. Not many apps can realistically claim the title of super app, but offering service for transportation, food delivery, insurance, online payments, booking hotels, and more, Grab really does have it all.
By providing such a wide range of important services, Grab becomes popular for its features. Their services are affordable, making people choose Grab over other ride-sharing apps. So right now we want to share with you guys how to properly book an online taxi using Grab.
First, you're going to open the application. You can download the application from Google Play. What you're saying right now is the main menu of the application. There are a lot of options, right? You can order a Grab bike, Grab car, or even food. But what we are going to show you right now is how to easily order a Grab bike.
Now, click on the motorcycle icon. After that, as you can see here, there's a tab search to put your address. You are required to enter your destination address. You can also save the address you use so that if you want to go there again, you don't have to bother writing down your destination address again. You also have to enter the pickup address so that the driver has no trouble finding you.
After you specify the pickup point and destination address, you will be redirected to a new page. There, you can click "Choose this pickup place." You will be shown a map to monitor whether the destination and pickup point are correct or not. You can also monitor whether the driver is close. Besides that, several options are also displayed at the bottom, which shows is whether you want to use a motorbike or a car. You will also get lots of discounts.
Before ordering, at the bottom left there is a section to fill in the discount coupon. If you have the discount coupon, please use it and enter discount. The discount will be automatically used if the discount you are using is not expired.
At the bottom, there is also an option to change the payment method. Here we will pay using OVO. You can also choose the option to pay cash, meaning you will pay in cash after arriving at the destination address.
After deciding what payment method you will do, you can now immediately click the green icon that says Order. Now, all you have to do is wait for the driver to come to pick you up. Have a safe ride, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.